Hey Ross, sauce it up.
What up? You probably just saw me unbox the whole head unit. So the head unit is an Idoing Headunit. But yeah, I'm probably just gonna connect all these wires and all these connections for the head unit inside before I go outside and just take out the other head unit. So this is the head unit. And it looks really clean. It looks really OEM, so that's why I picked it up. I heard good stuff about it, so let's try it for ourselves. So I just got everything laid out, all the wires. It's easier to see what goes where and what goes what. Here are the wires in the head unit. So as you can see, this is the main power unit that powers everything. I labeled it like the main power, which is the black plug that goes into here. And I labeled all the other stuff, like this is the power that goes into the car, there's the steering wheel control, the rear speaker, the radio, and I don't really know what this two goes into with these. I have to find that out. But yeah, and the rest of all of these, they go to the slots over here. Some of them are labeled, as you can see, 4G, Wi-Fi, GPS, stuff like that. Let's see. This I labeled it the GPS antenna. You can see the brick, 4G antenna, another 4G antenna. This is the Wi-Fi antenna, which looks the same as the 4G antenna. This is the 4G with LTE and SIM card. As you can see, you can put a SIM card into that. This is the RCA speakers. We're going to run those. This is the microphone jack. So it comes with a microphone. This wire right here is the subwoofer and the backup camera. And these are extra USBs. I probably will not be using all of these wires. For example, the GPS, I'm probably not going to plug in 4G antennas, 4G LTEs, because I would probably not even use them. So I won't be using any 4G or GPS since the head unit does have Carplay and Android Auto. So I'm just going to be using that. I'll start with the Wi-Fi antenna. So like I said, I will not be using GPS, so the GPS antenna will go here. So I'm just going to be using a Wi-Fi antenna. So it will go here. I don't really know where I'm going to mount this yet, so I'll figure that out. I might just mount it right on here, because I feel like it'll be easier, but don't know yet. Probably going to do the RCA speakers if you want to use it. Here, just plugs right in. The subwoofer and backup camera. Probably this one right here is 2 USBs next. This fat one. Yep, so big one will go there. The small one will go right next to it. That. let's go to the mic. Pop comes in. Microphone will plug right into that. The power label, power, and power go right here. So everything is hooked up. You see, this is the old head unit. So, you know, it doesn't look that bad, but the function freaking sucks. So yeah, so one of the biggest problems I have with this head unit is when I'm using Spotify. So when I play a song on my phone, Spotify, it will display on the head unit the first song it plays. But when I change it to the next song, the first song just stays there, right? And it wouldn't display the next song, if you know what I'm talking about. So I'm playing Vroom Vroom, right? It says Vroom Vroom, but when I change it, it doesn't change, and it just stays like this. Reverse, nothing. It's just, the stock unit is not that great. So that's why I got an aftermarket one, and hopefully it should be better. Alright, let's get to installing this thing. But to get this head unit out, there's a couple sockets you gotta undo. There's one down here, there's one in the glove compartment, and two up here. So let's try to do this one first. Peel this off somehow. But good thing that in the aftermarket head unit, they gave us these. Very useful. How the fuck do you get this off? Oh. Yeah. Shit, that took a minute. Oh, you won't be able to see the bolt. There is a bolt in there to the head unit. So, socket that we need is a 10mm socket. This will get that bolt in here, and then two up here. And here's a glove box. So there is a bolt under here that we gotta take off. Before that, we have to take off the glove box, which is pretty easy. Just unhook this thing right here. Ew. What a pull. Okay. There's also these two clips. You see at the bottom of the glove compartment. Just pull. Just give it a little pull, and it should come off. Fuck. I just lost my 10mm socket in here. It fell, and I have no idea how to get it out. Sucks. I lost the socket. I don't have the right tools. So I'm just gonna do this another time.
You makes it look so easy.
Exactly. It should just be plug and play now. I hope.
What are you trying to check? Plug it in and see if it works?
It was on my laptop. Yeah.
You're all plugged in?
Find out here.
Dang!
Hey!
Oh!
You
want to test the music?
Oh.
Yo, that's fancy. Yo! Where are you going to put the little Bluetooth microphone?
I saw him put it right here. Like,
okay. Just like run it through there.
How do I... Bluetooth. Mic?
Yes.
So I'm like, okay, yes.
I'm sure like you can adjust the sound settings too.
Oh,
and like, oh man, it's gonna be great. Does it have more power than the stock head unit? Like more wattage? It probably does.
Okay.
It works.
It works. So I guess you don't have to plug in all the wires. Like, push it in? Like that side? Like.
Oh, it's like this part that has to go in.
Fuck. Are you? Maybe. Dude. Check it.
Now that a portion of it is on the ground.
Can you like push it like down?
Yeah.
Like from here?
There we go.
Fuck! Man! Who made this?
You have sweat?
I'm sweating for sure. Oh.
Yeah, look at that. 12/31/2011. Your trunk's open.
Dude, that looks so shitty.
Your trunk's open.
I know, but still, it looks so shitty. On the video, it looks so good.
Huh. What year was this?
2017.
Oh, interesting.
Don't matter, right? I can't really get the thing to be that flush, but it's whatever. It stays in. It's freaking sturdy. It looks really nice. So, for the USBs, we wired it over into the glove box, and then one, you can see it tucked under, down here. But yeah, you can see it. I tucked it under here in the glove compartment, so it runs all the way like tucked under here. It's under the glove compartment into that and up into here. And that's because for Android Auto and Apple Carplay, you have to have it plugged into the head unit. It looks super clean like that. See? This is what it looks like. And yeah. So Z-Link. That's the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. All you gotta do is plug your phone into the phone in, hit Z-Link, it's gonna connect. Voila. Voila. Boom. It's super cool. Really like it. Spotify actually works on here. You can see all the songs. Waze. You don't use Waze, Google Maps. It's tough, definitely. One thing that I had to do was when I first started, the buttons on the steering wheel for the volume and skipping songs and stuff did not work. So, because I had to set it in the settings. So if you go to settings, you can mess around with the Wi-Fi and stuff. You can give it Wi-Fi, but to get the buttons working, where was it? Steering wheel settings. See it? Steering wheel settings. Steering wheel settings. And this is where you set all your layouts for your buttons and stuff. Yeah, if you guys are watching this and are having troubles doing that and figuring out why it's not working, that's why. And yeah, just mess around with all the settings. That's what I did. Do whatever you want with it. Like I said, you can have Wi-Fi. The cool thing is, if you have the Wi-Fi on and you have that hotspot on your phone, you can, have YouTube playing, which is sick. So, that's cool. What else? I don't know. Yeah, just mess with it. Have fun.